The 2022 Kia Telluride does not ensure an all-around performance. Despite its serviceable nature, the SUV's reliability in its first generation has been below par. In its 3 years on the market, it has received about 450 complaints, the majority of which are related to its first iteration. Even the 2022 model year, which has only recently entered the market, has received about 84 complaints. Today we will take a closer look at the 2022 Kia Telluride issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Malfunctioning information cluster. The 2022 Kia Telluride has received the most frequent criticism for the information cluster's poor performance. Customers have reported that the dash screen can suddenly go black and lose power without any warning. Users consequently don't know important facts about the vehicle. Kia has announced a recall to address the problem, which affects 5,143 Telluride 2022 models. Ticking noise from the engine. Buyers of the 2020 and 2021 Kia Telluride have mentioned a ticking sound coming from the engine. Although the cause of the noise is unknown, it can only be heard during a cold start. Cracking of windshield. Customers of the midsize SUV have reported that the windshield has started to crack without cause or incidents. While the reason for the problem's recurrence is still unknown, we believe the windshield was constructed with poor quality. Vehicle speed control. The Kia Telluride's unintended movement is its most recent known problem. The SUV has a tendency to accelerate or decelerate without any driver input, which raises the possibility of a collision. High beam headlights problems. The high beam headlamps of the 2020 Kia Telluride perform less well due to a motor system error. As a result, visibility is still limited, which raises the possibility of an accident. Kia has effectively handled the problem to a large extent. Inconvenient transmission unit. The Kia Telluride's transmission system is the subject of yet another mechanical issue. The transmission system's inability to maintain the proper gear in accordance with the speed levels has been a source of complaints from customers. Some of the complainants have also mentioned the issue of slippage. While there haven't been many problems with the most recent model, the Kia Telluride transmission issues are specific to the all-wheel drive equipped models. Explosion of sunroof and windows. The Kia Telluride's sunroof and windows are susceptible to explosion, much like the windshield. Even though this issue is due to poor build quality, it still counts as a safety concern because it increases the possibility of injuries to the passengers if the car is moving. Recalls. Kia has moved swiftly to begin recalls that can help users who are experiencing issues with Telluride. There have been a total of 4 recalls for the Telluride announced by the brand over the past 3 years. While the majority of these recalls address issues from the previous iteration, Kia has moved quickly to address issues with the information cluster. The full list of the latest Telluride recalls now you can see on the screen. The Kia Telluride received 83 points from J.D. Power, which is a respectable result. However, the SUV is unable to demonstrate why it is a reliable option. The Telluride is sensible and useful, but it doesn't particularly impress us with its dependability. Its issues are persistent in nature, and the complexity of them detracts from the ownership experience. Despite Kia's proactive approach to addressing customer annoyances, midsize SUV rivals offer more comprehensive options. So, before settling on the Kia Telluride, we'd advise looking into the Hyundai Palisade and Honda Pilot if you're in the market for a new 3-row car.